Take one. Hello everyone out there in space. This is Mark from San Diego, and today we're going to be making baked stuffed chicken balls. Not to be confused with turkey nuts. They're two different things. Anyways, our ingredients tonight are going to be a couple chicken breasts, Parmesan cheese, butter, mushrooms, which I've already cut up, and I made a mistake and pushed the photo button instead of the record button. So I already have some shallots and garlic sauteing over here. So kind of looks like we're starting from scratch, but yet we're not. Sorry you got to miss out on all that fabulous chopping because I was like a whiz doing this. So here we are again. All I've done so far is added a couple of tablespoons of butter, sauteed the onions and the shallots and the garlic, and now we're going to add the mushrooms and get that part going. As you can see, they're just being sauteed. Going to add the mushrooms. I added a little bit of olive oil to this too. Butter is delicious, olive oil is healthier. So I always use a combination of both. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on top here. A little bit of salt. Some pepper. It'll be a very, very basic seasoned item here. Oh, that's looking nice. La 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 la. Oh, you caught me in the middle of cleaning. We gotta cut this out of here. You didn't stop? You didn't stop? Well. Now while this is sauteing, we're gonna slice the chicken in thin strips and pound them. Don't forget to cover your chicken when you pound it. We're going to grate some Parmesan cheese. Can never have too much. We love cheese. That should be ample enough. Now we're going to set the oven to 425 degrees. See how this is going here? The next thing we're going to do is assemble these. Kind of like the Ford Motor Company in the 1920s when they put together the assembly plant. We're just going to assemble them, cook them, and then enjoy. And while that's going, we're going to get our broccoli and our carrots going. My secret to cooking broccoli and carrots is you put just a little bit of water in, you bring it to a boil for like 1 minute, turn it off and let it steam until your dinner's ready. So we're gonna start that. Doesn't that look pretty? Pretty colors, the green and the orange. When I grew up, my mother taught me to cook with colors, just have at least 3 colors in every meal. So tonight we have our green and our orange, and we got our white and our brown from our chicken and our mushrooms. It goes a little bit more white. But you know, when she made her juicy spaghetti, which we talked about several episodes ago, that was only 2 colors. That was only spaghetti and tomato sauce. And I think fried potatoes, but that's still white too. So, anyways, that was one of the rare exceptions. I add just a touch of salt to the veggies. trying to keep down on our blood pressure, so trying to lower that a little bit. And we're gonna put it on the stove, but we're not ready to turn it on yet. We wanna make sure that the chicken will be ready. Now we're ready for the assembly. It looks like these are done. They look really nice. See that? How nice and... So what we do, pretty simple, is you see I draped a pounded chicken breast over here. Gonna put some mushrooms inside. A combination of mushrooms and shallots and garlic. Fold it in. Set it right there. So there's one of our chicken balls right there. There's that. We have some leftover chicken, so we're just going to kind of roll those and have them not stuffed. They'll be just as good that way. Maybe not as good, but they'll be tasty. Okay, now with these, I melted some butter. Gonna brush it over top. These here, these extra ones, I will probably have them for breakfast tomorrow. Kind of nice. Breakfast, leftovers are always good for breakfast. Whatever you have, just have them for breakfast. You'll be surprised. Breakfast does not have to be breakfast, but breakfast can be dinner or brunch. So we're gonna put a little bit of salt on top here, a little bit of pepper, and then some cheese. Again, who doesn't like cheese? This is Parmesan cheese. What's nice about this is when it bakes, gives it a nice crispy shell on the outside. And also, I used to make burnt cheese. I need to make it again. I don't know if you've ever done that or not, but you take a cupcake pan, put some cheese, whatever kind of cheese you want. I like cheddar, I like Parmesan. Fill up just the bottom, put them in the oven, broil them just for a minute or two, pull them out, let them cool, and you have some nice crispy cheese crisp. Okay, that's probably enough. We can save this for breakfast or brunch. Gonna pop it in the oven. And I'm gonna start the timer at 25 minutes. See you then. Actually, we'll see you in 24 minutes and 53 seconds. All right, dinner served. It went for about 40 minutes. They look nice. Next, we have some veggies. Okay, here's our dinner. How beautiful that looks. I want to thank everyone out there in Spaceland. It was a lot of fun cooking tonight. Sorry about the problem we had in the beginning, but I think maybe I salvaged it. Anyways, goodbye from San Diego, broadcasting to Murano. Everyone have a great evening.